There's one. There's one. We got something bigger, guys. We've got something a little bigger here. What is this? All right, it is. Still haven't caught a trout, but hey, if these fish want to play today, I'll take it. This one here, bit the woolly worm. Little, I don't know, maybe 12, 13-inch fish. Well, guys, we are going up in size. Here is another largemouth. I don't know, I didn't measure him. He's probably 12 or 13 inches. But if the largemouth bass want to play today, we'll play. Thanks for biting, buddy.